Welcome to the Wake Up to Sad podcast.
We'd like to start the show just by saying thank you for always giving us money, but
For always giving us money.
because it's been a tough time for the country. We'd like to encourage you guys that if you do want to donate or whatever, please go to Angat Buhay.
Yes.
Their Instagram page. They have a relief operations. They parang kumbaga,
They know what to do with your money.
yeah. And we are here. We are here to distract you,
Not that you should be distracted, but just for a little
entertain you,
mental
break from
all the bad stuff that's happening. We're going to talk about a lot of stupid things, but of course, keep yourselves safe, dry, and up to date on the news because we are under a state of calamity, and this is our way of, I guess, helping you guys and helping ourselves stay sane. Yeah, and speaking of dumb stuff, have you seen this, Jim?
Ano to? No.
Parang naka-cancel yung Mendocoro because they were saying parang it's ramen weather.
How did they say that?
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Facts ba to? Facts. And someone, instead of helping out the country, flew to Germany. Did you hear about that?
Yeah, and this is a recurring thing
Well,
diba this happened in the last
mm.
now this is ramen weather.
Okay, nag-post
So they
sila ng-
posted, now this is ramen weather. Our stores are still open to serve you. Hashtag quintessential ramen experience. Come, we'll keep you warm and dry.
Do you think they did this like early on in the day?
Yeah, I think baka naman.
Most likely, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't know. I mean, just thinking like, I don't think they did that late last night when the rain was not stopping and it was all over the news. I mean, early in the morning when we did our podcast yesterday, it was like, oh, it's rainy, whatever. I think, and that's the thing about itong mga disaster management stuff. It's like you're not preparing us.
Yeah,
really. We had no idea that
Yeah.
this was gonna happen.
So this is the worst.
It's worse than Ondoy.
It's worse than Ondoy.
It's worse than Ondoy. Karina surpasses Ondoy's record, which was 455 millimeters with 458 millimeters of rainfall within 24 hours. So,
Oh man.
ngayon, na may mga landslides and everything, and it's yeah, it is quite sad. So,
So, ano tawag dito?
yung Mama Luz, shout out to Mama Luz. They apparently they were giving away free sopas. They said, stay safe and warm, everyone. We're offering comforting Zupa de Macaroni sopas at Mama Luz, Cavite, and all the different places to help you through this rainy weather. Feel free to pass by anytime and enjoy a bowl of heartwarming goodness. We're here for you. Nagutom ako.
Sweet naman.
Yeah.
Love. I do wanna acknowledge na I guess ako kasi nga I have a very, very traumatic experience. Sorry, I don't want to use that word. Nahihirapan ako.
It's okay.
Ang point ko lang,
We'll cancel you later on, so don't worry.
ang point ko lang is when Ondoy nga happened, I was stuck in a condo na the blinds were shut.
Mm-hmm.
Me and my bandmates at the time had no idea what was going on.
Mm-hmm.
We, as in literally no idea.
Yeah, and
We kept we were jamming, so we had our headphones on, so our phones were out, and then like after the jam, you know how it is when we jam, right? Like you leave your phone and you just.
And it was in a condo, so you didn't know.
Condo, you don't hear anything. We didn't, everything was closed. I mean, like.
For you guys, ano lang siya, parang, umulan. Parang lakas na.
Yeah, parang umulan. Ganon. So, left our phones and we drank wine, right? Like, it's in the condo. So, after jamming, we
I can't believe you said traumatic.
No, wait.
I'm kidding.
I'm gonna get there. So, we drank wine and then we had nuts and I got kind of buzzed.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I finally got my phone, again buzzed. I just posted like wine and nuts.
Oh no!
Yeah.
That is some
That's why
motherfuckers stay at home.
That's why nga it is. And this was wala pang I think basta hindi pa naman wala pang stories, wala pang it wasn't that crazy, but I just remember like posting like
dumbass.
Sobrang dumbass. And I'm so until now.
It's like
I'm so
Mendocoro
embarrassed.
vibes.
Kaya nga ano ako kay Mendocoro kasi baka naman the social media person there probably nga nung time na yun was probably thinking like, hey, parang enjoy your food here. Parang because it's a bit rainy. You know, I mean, ganun yung vibes niya.
Yeah.
And ako nung time na yun, it was like, oh, I'm with my band.
Yeah.
We just made a few songs.
You had no idea what was happening.
So fun. I got buzzed.
It was probably some intern, huh? Gosh.
Anyway.
Well, anyway.
I'm so sorry. Anyway, apologies to anyone who unfollowed me during that time. In addition to me saying that Taylor Swift is the Antichrist.
Did you say that?
I did say that.
Can you not repeat that?
I know, obviously, I'm such a Swiftie now, and I'm embarrassed.
Why did you say that? Kasi pakul ka.
Pakul.
Oh.
Grabe talaga nakakainis talaga.
Kainis. Yeah, that's like our cringe days. Like me, I was such a pick-me. You know what that is?
What's that?
It's the pick-me na parang, I don't have girlfriends because like girls are just full of drama, and like I like having guy friends more. Like I'm like, you know, I'm one of the guys. Like
I'm a skater girl.
I want to punch myself in the face.
Yeah.
Like I'm a skater girl. Like, you know, look at my necktie.
Ganun ka nga.
You guys have.
Yeah, cute.
Yeah. Gumana naman sa'yo.
Actually, you know who should be
What?
Who should be stopped?
What?
From culture?
Who? Avril Lavigne?
No. Ako mas tanggap ko pa si Avril Lavigne kaysa kay Zooey Deschanel.
Why?
Yeah.
You mean not Zooey Deschanel, but her character in 500 Days?
No. Zooey Deschanel.
But why? It's hard when you're losing yourself.
You know why? Because at least Avril Lavigne is like,
Why do you have to go and make things so complicated?
Kasi at least
Fusion yan.
Avril Lavigne is like, at least I'm not an artist.
Shut up.
No.
She was super...
No. Ay, hindi naman siya ganun na.
Avril Lavigne?
She never said naman she's an artist. She just said na I'm a punk. I'm a skater girl. Hence, she fell for a skater boy.
She was a punk. She did ballet. What more can I say? No, I don't know why I'm not singing it like that.
So, ang ano ko nga kay Avril.
Alam mo ba yung conspiracy theory that Avril Lavigne is a clone now? Have you heard of that?
No.
Like the Paul McCartney thing.
What?
That they're actually dead and that they have been replaced.
Since when?
I think it was during her Hello Kitty days.
What do you mean Hello?
She got into a whole after the whole punk. She became like a
hyper Japanese aesthetic thing.
But it's like, I don't think that's true.
Ex niya, si Sum 41.
Hindi, si
Sum 41.
Si Nickelback. Si Nickelback.
Si Nickelback ang asawa niya before.
Yes.
Do you know that there's a documentary? So, I'm not sure if the pod kids...
Do you guys know Avril Lavigne?
Yeah, yun nga eh.
No.
Laugh trip. And also...
so Avril... So for the sake of the younger ones, just a quick backgrounder on Avril Lavigne. So she was the... Sinong ano niya?
Billie Eilish.
She was the Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish ba?
I think Billie Eilish because it's like...
No. I know. Before Paramore was Paramore, I guess? No. Hindi, kasi Paramore at least...
Para siyang Olivia Rodrigo.
Ganon.
Pero hindi. Not quite. Kasi parang But Olivia Rodrigo is, I think, I'm sorry to say, but I think she's like the non-poster version. Kasi,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
kasi
Kasi,
she stepped into the scene when there was like, of course, Spice Girls, Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, and then Avril Lavigne. I remember when I was younger, I was sobrang hyping her up to my mom because I was like, Mom, grabe, she's so cool. She's like, she's wearing, I could identify with her kasi parang she's wearing like cargo pants and like she's skating.
she's not pa sexy.
She's, parang hindi siya, she's not like the other girls.
Pero
and,
for me, when I first saw her,
what?
I remember I saw her on Mix.
Ah.
On Mix.
Uh-huh.
And syempre, the song was a hook.
Why'd you have to go and make? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna flash it on screen as you're talking about it. Para lang people know what the reference is.
So when
Chill out.
when she
what
came
you
out,
yelling for?
she was like, and this was coming from Michelle Branch.
Yes.
Like at most, so ganito.
Michelle Branch.
This is the history of the main pop girls.
History. Yeah,
So-
say it, man.
So from Spice Girls, right? From Spice, yun.
enough ko yung music.
Okay. So from Spice Girls to nagkaroon ng wave of like medyo like Natalie Imbruglia,
Yeah.
remember? And like these girls na ano ba? Hindi sila dancey, hindi
Yes.
sila like parang they went the simpler, parang the simpler the better, parang ganong route.
Yeah.
Less is more.
Oh yeah, like guys are all about like I like girls who don't wear makeup, and it's like everybody fucking wears makeup. You think the no makeup look? That's pag hindi ka naka-makeup, it's like parang she looks tired. Fuck you guys.
TikTok cam.
Sorry, just bleep me.
So anyway, so when Avril came out,
Stacey Orico, I loved Stacey Orico.
Oh yeah, the mole.
Yeah, stuck on you.
Stuck. I love that
I
song.
love that.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
So
Sorry.
so see Avril, when
Mm.
I saw her, I was like, oh my god, she is so.
The perfect woman, ganon. Jere, how old were you?
I don't know,
She's
but
like-
high school.
She's not like all the other girls. Like, okay, dweeb.
Pero parang she was so cute, and I was like, oh my god, like.
I want to marry her.
And pero she was like, she's so tough. Where her voice is like, chill out.
what you yelling for?
Why you gonna make me complicated?
You guys,
See
she's the original
you.
Chapel kasi nag-yodel siya. Charot. And you fall, and you grow, and you break, and you take. Charot.
So
Okay.
she was such a. Anyway, anyway, naging malaki siya, right?
Mm.
But the difference is, kaya ko sinasabi na I don't think she knows how to play guitar.
Naka-unplug yung guitar.
I think she
na
doesn't
ano.
know. Yeah, may maraming ganon mga. She doesn't know.
We're not sure about this. What if she does?
I'm pretty sure can playbackers pwede pang ano, research team,
Research team, please
playbackers
correct
research
us
team.
if we're wrong.
Does Google nyo, does Avril Lavigne know how to play guitar? I think, but the thing is that I have no issue that she doesn't know how to play guitar,
Oo
okay?
nga,
Or
always-
piano or whatever. But the
So-
videos kasi she kept having a guitar. So anyway, she has a signature tele. What the freak?
Baka naman marunong siya mag-guitar.
Oh my God, really? Okay.
You know,
fair.
she has this song that Jim and I really like. What is that, Jim?
Why?
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 What? Ano yung...
Why?
That's Hillary Duff.
Hindi.
Do
Why
a crazy
hindi.
dance. If you lose a moment.
Sabi, yan.
Why do you always do this? Hindi yun yung
Hindi,
gusto
hindi.
ko eh. Gusto ko yung parang under the bridge
Yun nga,
siya.
why?
Ayan. It's not supposed to feel this way. I need you more and more each day. It's not supposed that's key change. It's not supposed to feel this way. I need you. 1, 2, 3, go. Are you and me still together?
Ah.
Tell me.
One more. Standing on a bridge, living alone, and living
I love that
it
song.
so hard. Anyway, tama na.
Is anyone else trying to find me? Does anyone else take me home? It's a damn cold. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Moving on.
So
Where were we? Where were we talking about Avril Lavigne?
versus Zoe Deschanel.
Okay.
So si Avril,
Why do we? What? Okay. Why do we
Yung-
have to find? What? Okay.
Guys, ito pala. So people keep doing this and nakakatawa.
Hey.
Before this thing, we're doing the we talked about this in the pod. You can look for it. I have explicitly expressed my
Disdain.
disdain for people who are not. No, sorry. Sorry. I take it back.
Okay, go ahead, Jim. I want
In
you to
the
just
pre-
keep
in-
digging that.
In the previous pods, I questioned na is this thing surfs up ba?
Surfs up.
Is the,
I think it's like some
when you put your,
aloha.
when you put your pinky and your thumb up, is it a surfs up? Kasi I see a lot of people in my social circle on
Hello?
Facebook na who do this in a very random moment. Gets more like, let's say,
Nung bata pa tayo, you mean?
I don't know, like college, post-college, like parang ganyan, like
It's their version of a peace sign.
maybe nakaganyan sila.
Hang loose.
Yun nga, it means hang loose. So again, see, Ira says, I remember this. Ira! Big Fuzzer! Ira Big Fuzzer? This is Ira. Fuzznatic?
Yes!
Musta? Nag-date pa?
Wait, okay.
Sorry.
Hang loose. Hang loose, Ira.
So, question. Bakit nagiging... Why is
Now
this...
it's a trending thing because I think a Beanie member does it, right?
It is?
Am I supposed to shake it
What
like
is
this?
A? What is A ba?
A.
Bakit A?
Yun yung ginagawa nila, parang A ka muna, A.
It's a Beanie reference. Why is it Beanie?
Should we have someone on stage to explain this to us?
Does anyone want to join the call?
Sure,
Oh,
yeah.
Come on. Bumabagyo. Baka someone wants to drop in some knowledge. But anyway. So it's a Beanie thing. So that's why people are doing A. And then she says that all the time, I assume, right?
Or someone else said like parang the phrase is A ka muna, A. Parang I think it's like when you're feeling awkward and then you just say parang I think it's honestly, I think it's some tactic to make you feel awkward as I'm talking to you. Like, A ka muna, A.
Ganun ba?
I don't know. Kasi for me, it's like, shut up. That's how I really feel about it. Okay.
No. Pero, wait.
Not Beanie. Not Beanie Sheena herself. But like,
so kung let's say,
so sa akin kapag good vibes. Pero yung kapag pinipili ka na parang, gawin mo to. Like, it's for me,
who does that?
Yun nga, that's the thing that people are doing. Like, A ka muna, A. Parang,
so relax.
do this
relax
first.
Muna.
Oh, parang, for me, it's giving,
nakaka-trigger nga yun.
parang,
so like,
or
imagine.
maybe it could also be like an icebreaker.
I could imagine kasi like being in a meeting, like let's say me and like a bunch of
Mag-represent ka. A ka muna, A. Parang yung ginagago ka. Parang,
or kung like I'm saying, guys, bakit ba ganito? Ba't ba?
A ka muna, boss, A.
Parang tangina mo ah.
Jim, we said we would not do that.
Sorry. Oh no, dick pic.
Hindi, it's not a
There's
dick
a dick pic.
Dick pic by Princess. And Miko.
And Clementine.
Not a dick pic.
Daming dick pic. Oh my God.
No.
Oh no.
These are actual links to... Okay, here it is. This is...
We're gonna figure out.
A
ka muna
Thank
is.
you so much to Inquirer.net, Alisa Fernandez. A ka muna, A, the context behind this playful phrase that's taking over social media. The phrase A ka muna, A was spontaneously said by Sheena during an event where a fan told her impending graduation to Sheena. In a delightful response, Sheena quipped, "Graduate ka na, mag-A ka muna, A." Do the A.
Oh, cute naman.
Okay. This light-hearted moment encapsulating the excitement and camaraderie between Sheena and her fan was quickly shared across various social media platforms. The playful nature of the phrase combined with Sheena's charismatic delivery resonated widely, sparking a wave of memes, videos, and posts that celebrate the joyous interaction. I have never seen this. We shall share it and understand it right now. Thank you for not sending us a dick pic, guys.
Ang
And this
dami-
is
ang dami-
Bimi Sheena.
Ang dami nagsasabi. This is not a dick pic. Not a dick.
Ayon, so ayun, naiiyak yung girl. So she's like, oy, relax ka muna. Chill.
Aw.
Coming from her, it was very genuine and like, oy, parang,
But there are people who are ano ba?
ewan ko, I don't know why I'm getting triggered by... I guess so that's the thing. If someone says something that causes you to be a little like
Stress.
emotional or stressed, parang, ikaw muna That's okay. That makes sense to me now. Okay,
That's funny.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
That's the title of this episode, guys. Ikaw muna
May ginawa niya ba yung linya-linya about this?
Jim is getting... Jim. Ikaw muna Gagalit na siya sa linya-linya. Ikaw muna
Wala pa nga.
Ikaw muna Jim, ikaw muna Okay,
Wala
now.
pa nga. Mag-A nga muna ako. A muna ako. A.
Ayan.
A muna ako.
Ayan, this is funny. When life gets hard, mag-A ka muna. A. Okay.
Why is that funny?
Miss mo na ba siya? A muna,
That's
like,
funny.
I guess it's like, it's what we're doing with this episode. Parang we're getting stressed up. A ka muna,
Yeah.
Okay. Now I get it. Okay.
Ah,
Sa
ganda.
ating mga
Good
millennials, what was
question.
our version of A? Steady
Relax.
chic.
Relax.
Relax? But that's so annoying.
Hindi, pero I think,
Chill.
I think I never said chill. I think I can confidently say I never said, dude, bro, chill. Pare, chill. Baby.
You've said relax. Baby, chill.
Baby.
YOLO.
Oh yeah, YOLO became a thing.
Yeah.
I never said that. I definitely never said that, but that became a thing.
What I hated was epic.
Chillax.
Epic. That is epic.
Marami nga nag-chillax.
Chillax.
Mas bet ko ang chillax.
Kesa
Fair.
I hate kalma. Oh my God, JR. If you tell me na kalma, I would get so pissed.
Ako hindi. Ay,
Kalma.
I
would be like, what?
I don't know how to throw a punch, pero pag sinabihan ako ng kalma, I might throw a punch.
Parang,
Kalma. Hindi, nakakainis kasi.
Bakit? Kalma ako.
Nakakainis kasi sa ganyan, sabi. When they say it, na yung face pa nila, it's like, parang their face kasi says, bakit hindi ka kalmado?
Wow.
Kalma.
I guess it's in the delivery.
Relax.
How can you possibly deliver?
Relax.
How can you deliver kalma in a ano? No, this one is
Pare, yun eh. Kaya ikaw, mag-agro ka.
hindi kasi sinabi ko sa'yo anong oras ka na umuwi eh. Sinabi ko,
Kalma.
shut the
Versus this is.
puta kalma.
Versus. Go. Wala ka.
Sinabi ko sa'yo anong oras ka umuwi. Sabi ko, 1 a.m.
Kalma. Diba?
I would never.
So,
Juliet, that was for Clara.
so,
Nakahate.
kalma, chillax. Chillax,
Well,
parang, ako, if sinabihan ako ng chillax, I'd probably kick
Yeah.
that person.
Medyo unrelated, sabi ni Steady Chic. Pero pinaka-hate kong phrase was, di ikaw na. I hated that also. At saka, di wow.
I found that so funny.
Someone did
Can
that to me.
you explain, Eddie, ikaw na?
Parang, when you're saying something
yeah.
nice, and then parang,
yeah, oh.
di wow.
Oh, yeah.
Di wow. Parang,
Freaking,
sorry, kung magaling ako.
freaking, you know, alam mo sino ang number 1 na ganun?
Don't say. Who? Hindi. Sino?
Oo.
Sino?
Like, kunwari, like, ay,
Parang hindi naman.
hindi ba? Like, kunwari, like, sabi mo, ay, hindi pala, sorry.
Hindi.
I'm so sorry.
Yan,
Pack Gunner.
Pack Gunner. Gusto ko
I
yung
love-
Pack Gunner.
I love
Pack
Pack
Gunner. Yung, parang opposite yan ng Eddie Wow. Diba? Kasi parang
Eddie Wow,
Pack Gunner is like,
go,
Pack,
go.
go.
I support you.
Push.
Oh, yeah, I support you.
Mama mo was annoying.
Yan yung hindi ko gets. Well, how would that...
It's like ano, parang, uy, wag kang, like, magreklamo ka na parang, ang liit naman ito. Or like, this is so small. Parang, you're small.
So how do you do
So
it?
it's like, mama mo.
Can you give an example?
Parang, di masarap tong, ano na to, mama mo, di masarap.
Why?
It's like, yo, mama.
Yo, mama.
I don't know. Am I using it
Alam mo yung
correctly?
hindi ko na gets and it became such a hit shirt.
My favorite though is We.
Where's the best?
What's the best tambara?
Where's the best?
Every time like I see a politician saying something, gusto ko lang reply ng We.
Definitely.
Parang Pogos are banned. We. Iniba mo lang yung pangalan.
Ano
Totoo.
tawag dito? Yung yun,
Nega.
si Lenny, that I have no idea why this shirt became like a number one shirt for Linya Linya. Yung hotdog.
Ayun ang hindi ko get.
Hindi ko gets yun.
Ha? Hotdog. Gawa kayo ng ganun na House of the Dragon. Ha? Kumakain yung dragon ng hotdog. Hotdog.
That we have the hotdog. You know what I really love?
Oh, we're talking about mothers. I get that reference.
You know what ako is like yung when they say nga yung ikaw na.
Ikaw na. Edi ikaw na.
Edi
Edi
ikaw.
wow.
That is so mean.
Dapat na lang. Eddie Murphy. Wali.
That is so mean to say, no?
Oh, parang kung like,
hey, I graduated today.
Edi wow. Edi ikaw na matalino.
Hey, pero tingnan mo, look at the difference between Beanie, Sheena, na ako na, hey,
ika muna,
ika muna. Diba? At least,
paano kung ika muna? O ika muna, I think it's a delivery.
It's
diba?
a delivery.
She's like, wait lang, ika muna, So it was
nice. Versus,
let's get Beanie on the podcast.
yeah, I mean, it's
all,
all,
wow, nakaka-trigger, no?
Grabe.
Alam mo, may nangganyan sa akin before.
Friend,
may
right?
nangganyan sa akin.
I know
and who? No, you don't know him. May nangganyan sa akin kasi, okay, I will share this. Okay? Because it was election time years ago. I think 2016.
Ika muna.
Ika muna. Iyak ako, joke. and parang nagkaroon ng round table interview. And I was one of the interviewees. And we were asked about like our thoughts on the election. And then I was being honest. I said, as I was in line to vote, to register for the elections, I think it was my first elections because I was in college. Parang, I was saying in the interview na parang, yung mga batchmates ko, I was trying to get them to register with me and they didn't want to. Pero game na game sila pumila for like embassy or something, like a club. I said that.
Ikaw na.
Ayun na nga. Someone screenshotted that, like, currently our peer, na I later worked with, but he posted it on his Facebook, and then it became yung naging representation ng Eddie Wow or Eddie Ikaw na is the skater, yung Filipino skater, yung ganon.
I don't know that.
Eddie Ikaw na. No, parang ako like, and then there were like all these comments like making fun of me.
Oh.
I know, and then someone sent me that thread. It was hurtful. I don't know why. You don't. Huwag na. He's like I worked with him later on, and then I just pretended I didn't know about it. And he was nice to me, and I think he later on, parang, I don't think he felt the same way anymore because
parang I know that
you know him. He's like a little younger than us, and
Ateneo.
I believe so. It was just parang sorry la. I mean, like, I didn't want to say it, but it was the truth.
Pero baka naman the way you wrote it rin kasi medyo coops. Na parang,
well, you know what? If you felt shame, parang for me, bakit? But kung hindi ka na natamaan, anong masama dun sinabi ko?
Ano yung sinabi mo exactly?
Di ko alam. Di ko maalala. But that was my point. My point is, if you're willing to line up for the club, I mean, come on. Because my batchmates were saying to me na parang, ang tagal kasi pumila dun eh. Kaya natamad sila. Ano ngayon? Ano? Charot.
Ako, you know what
di ako na.
You know what I was so frustrated with?
Ano?
I have a bunch of friends na, like, who are like, not sorry. I have a bunch of ex-friends who are douchey. Okay. Or I knew some people who were very, very douchey. Like corrupt values. Okay. Like,
why are you friends with them? I mean, like,
I was. And then, pagdating sa ganitong relief operations, biglang, bro, pare, dito na kami, pare. Ba't wala ka? Pare. So, I'm like, grabe naman, bro. Well, ako doon ako natitrigger. Sorry. Parang it's just like for me, it's like, yeah, I'm chill.
So because
Chillax.
okay lang sana if he was just doing it, but like he was shaming you for not
Exactly.
being where he
parang,
was. And
teka ha? I don't shame you when you do all that shit you do. Right? Wala lang.
Yeah, gets. All right, A ka muna, A. Getting pissed off here. But I'm such a nice person because when I worked with that person who made the thread, I really was so, as in kebs lang ako. And then, because I didn't know na, anyway, like, edi ako na, kasi ang bait ko.
By the way, Sabi, I'm gonna announce for at least people who are listening to the pod and because they absolutely do not care. I think I'm gonna bring back the podcast arm.
The thing?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I think I am.
I mean, let's take this offline, but go off.
Thank you again to all the playbackers. How many members do we have now?
We will find
Actually,
out.
excited na nga ako magpa-tattoo eh.
Hayop.
Yeah. We were supposed to do a malibag today.
626.
Wow.
633. Wow.
Nice.
Ika muna, A. Guys, A muna kayo, A.
Sorry, we'll do 6. Again, I just want to say, if you love listening to the pod, show your love and support by going to playback.tv/JimandSab. You don't have to go live. Just be a member of the channel. Lastly, for jimandsab.com, so Sab is gonna do some coaching stuff again. Yay. FYI, for all the podrons. May mga podrons ba dito? Because
podrons, A ka muna, A.
Yeah, so we're kind of reorganizing and just a update lang na we're gonna fix things in a bit. But yeah.
From oh my gosh.
Oh, thanks, babe. Oh.
Thanks, babe. So, nakakatawa from going from ano, parang di ko gets to. I'm never gonna stop saying A ka muna, A.
Oh, my. Thank you, babe. We will donate that 99 pesos to Angat Buhay.
Yeah, thank you, babe.
Thank you so much.
Emergency. You know that, the Bodot song?
No. Bye.
Bye na ba?
Bye to the pod.
Bye to the pod.
Bye,
Bye.
pod.